Hi friends, my name is Milan Dholariya. In this video, we start our new chapter. It is chapter number 7, Triangles. Okay, first of all, what is triangle? Okay, this is one type of triangle. Okay, triangle is a closed figure made by three line segments. Okay, triangle is one closed figure made by three line segments is called triangle. Okay, otherwise can also say that three non-collinear points. Three non-collinear points. If we join three non-collinear points by a line segment, it is called triangle. Okay. If we join three non-collinear points by line segments, it is called triangle. Okay. So here triangle. Now triangle, in that two words are there, tri and angles. Tri, that means three, and angles, if that you know, right? So three angles, it is triangles. So in triangle, how many things are there? Three sides, three angles, and three vertices. Okay, three sides, three angles, and three vertices. Okay, so basic information we already know about the triangle, because that we already learned in our previous standards 7 and 8. Right. So this is one triangle, in that we have three sides, three angles, and three vertices. Okay, triangle does not have any diagonal. Diagonal means what? If we join two non-adjacent sides, it is called diagonals. Okay, but in triangle we do not have any diagonals. Triangle is one closed figure and it have three sides. It is also one type of a polygon. Okay, which have the three sides. After that, congruence of triangle. Now, what do you mean by congruence of triangles? Congruence means what? Simply, congruence means same size and same shape. Okay, congruence means what? Same size and same shape. If two figures have same shape and same size means all the dimensions. Okay, if we think about this circle, okay, if we think about the circles, then two circles, if they have the same radius, okay, if they have the same radius, it is called congruent figures, congruent circles. Okay, congruence of triangle, congruence and congruent both are like equal. Okay, congruence of triangles, if two triangles are congruent, it is called congruent triangles. Okay, here if two circles have the same radius, it is called congruent circles. Okay, because the circles do not have any other dimension, so only one dimension circle have, it is radius. If it is same, it's called congruent circles. Same thing for the square. If two squares have same measurement, if two squares have same measurement like 4 centimeter, then two squares are called congruent shapes, otherwise congruent squares. Congruent. Okay, otherwise if we think about the rectangle, so if two rectangles have the same length and same width, if two rectangles have same length and same width, it is called congruent rectangles. Okay, both have the rectangular shape, both have the same size, it is called congruent. Okay, so this is the congruence of triangle. One more thing for the congruent figures. Okay, they completely, if we put two congruent figure on each other, if we put two congruent figure on each other, both will be completely cover each other, both will be completely cover each other. It is called congruent. Okay, that means if two congruent circles are there, if we put one on another, so they completely cover each other, it is called congruence. Okay, So here two words are there, congruence and congruent. Okay, here we have some figures of triangle. Okay, here 4.5 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. And for the angle, here one line, here one line, here two lines, here, sorry, here two lines, here three lines, here three lines. That means these two angles are same, these two angles are same, and these two angles are same. Okay, now in triangle, if we think about the triangle, if we think about the two triangles, so for congruent triangles, they have same sides and same angles. They have same sides and same angles because the triangle have the six measurement, three sides and three angles. If all these six measurement is equal with the other triangle, then it is called congruent triangles. Okay, so for triangle we have two condition for congruence. It is same sides and second thing same angles. Same sides and same angles. Okay, so for triangle we need to check these two things. All the sides are same, all the angles are same in between two triangle. It is called congruence triangles. So here that we have three sides are same and the three angles are same. So these two triangles are called congruent triangles. Okay, these two triangles are called congruent triangles. Okay, and how can we write this congruency? Like this: ABC congruent PQR. ABC congruent PQR. This is the sign of congruency. Okay, here is equals to sign and here like horizontal but S. Okay, this is the sign of congruency. So if we want to say that two triangles are congruent triangle, okay, if we want to say that two triangles are congruent triangle, so we can write like this: ABC congruent triangle PQR. Okay, this shows the congruency. Now if we write this, if we write this triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR, it means that all the three sides are same. And how? Here first two name is AB, so here even we need to take first two letter PQ. These two sides are same. Now second third BC, here even second third QR, so BC is equal with the QR. And first and third, so from here even first and third, so AC is equals to PR. So these three sides are same. Okay, and this is also called the corresponding part. Corresponding part means what? Whatever sequence you taken from the first triangle, same sequence you need to take in the second triangle. It is called corresponding. That means here we first of all we take first two letters, here even first of all we take two letters. It is corresponding parts. Corresponding means sequence wise. Whatever sequence you select in one congruency, same sequence you need to taken from the second triangle even. Here in BC we have taken second and third position, so here even second and third position QR. BC is equals to QR. These two parts are called congruent part. Sorry, corresponding parts. After that AC first third position, here even first third position, it is called corresponding parts, are equal. Okay, three sides are same and for the angles, here first of all consider first position A, it is equal with the first position P. Then angle B equal with the second position angle Q. Then angle C equal with the third position angle R. So angle A is equals to angle P, angle B is equals to angle Q, angle C is equals to angle R. Okay, three sides are same and three angles are same. One more thing, corresponding parts are equal. Corresponding sides and corresponding angles are equal. Okay, that means we also need to check the sequence even. And first of all, we need to write the congruous triangle in this way, triangle ABC, then congruency sign, and second triangle PQR. It is always not necessary that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Here we can write like a QPR even, but we just need to follow the sequence of corresponding parts. Okay, from here we cannot say that AB is equal to QR. Here we only just need to take the corresponding part. Here cannot say that AB is equal to QR. It's wrong, because here AB in first two position, QR last two position. So this things is wrong because we only need to take the corresponding parts. Okay, one more thing. If it is written like this QRP, then definitely AB is equal to QR. Okay, whatever sequence given here, same sequence we need to follow for the congruency. Okay, now look at this two triangles. Here angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R. So if you want to write the congruency, then how we can write? First of all, write down the first triangle, what in whatever sequence you want. Now put the congruency sign. Now just take care of these things. First position A, so first position we need to give to angle P, so triangle P. Now second B, so with B we have Q, so here we need to write Q. Now with C we have R, so here we need to write R, so PQR. So triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. And we can also write triangle PQR congruent to triangle ABC. This way even we can write. Okay, so here this two triangles are congruent triangles. Now here angle A is same with the F, angle B is same with the angle D, and angle C is equal with the angle E. Here measurement 4 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter, and 5 centimeter. If this type of situation is given to you, then we also need to check one more thing. It is corresponding angles. Okay, here in between 4.5 and 5 centimeter, we have the angle with two lines. So check here, 4.5 and 5 centimeter. In between we have the angles with two lines. So definitely these two triangles are congruent triangle because three sides are same, three angles are same. Triangle, right? So here we can write a triangle ABC congruent to. Now angle A is equal with the angle F. So first of all we need to write the F, then B with D. So after that we need to write D. After that we need to write the C with E. So here FDE. So triangle ABC congruent to triangle FDE. Okay. After that, check this one even. Here 4 centimeter, here 4 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Okay, this angle is equal with the M, angle B is equal with the R, and angle C is equal with the N. Okay, now in between 4 and 4.5 centimeter, we have single angle. So in between 4 and 4.5, we have single line. So these two triangles are even congruent triangles. Okay, we can check for the any one angle. Now from here we can write triangle ABC congruent to, now angle A is equal with the M, so angle M, B is equal with the R, and C is equal with the N, so MRN. Triangle ABC congruent to triangle MRN. And at last, here all sides are 5 centimeter 5 centimeter. Here we have only one side is equal to 5 centimeter, so these two triangles are not congruent triangles. Okay, these two triangles are not called congruent triangles. Done. This is the congruency. After that, here if it is given that ABC congruent to FDE, right? So AB is equal to FD. So here our reason is CPCT. By CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Meaning of CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Okay, corresponding part that you already know because recently I explained you, right? Corresponding parts of the congruent triangles. Here in standard 9 you are learn about the congruency. In standard 10 you learn about the similarity of triangles. Okay, there is little difference between congruence and similarity, but right now you need to learn about the congruency. Okay, so here full name is given to you, congruent triangle of corresponding parts. Okay, corresponding parts of congruent triangle, this one, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Okay, and if two triangles are same, then corresponding parts of congruent triangle, that means corresponding sides are equal and corresponding angles are equal. Okay, then criteria for congruence of triangles. Okay, criteria for congruence of triangles, we have some criteria, and from that directly we can say that these two triangles are congruent. That means it is not necessary that always we need to check all the 6 parts. Okay, by equating some of the parts directly we can say that these two triangles are congruent triangle, and that criteria now we need to learn here. Okay, here we have so many criteria for congruence of triangles. Out of that, first one is SAS. SAS. SAS means what? Side angle side. This criteria is called side angle side criteria. Okay, that's why short form SAS. First of all, read this line. Two triangles are congruent. Two triangles are congruent if two sides and the included angle, if two sides and the included angle of one triangle are equal to the two sides and the included angle of the other triangle. Okay, two triangles are congruent if two sides and the included angle of one triangle are equal to the two sides and the included angle of the other triangle. That means if we have two triangles ABC, here DEF, side angle side, if here we have measurement 4, here we have measurement 4, here we have measurement 5, and if here we have measurement 5 and angle B is equal with angle F, so here we have the SS criteria, side angle side criteria. Okay, AB is equal with the EF, so one side. After that, angle B is equal to angle F, and our third side angle of 5 is equal, angle 5 is equal to, sorry, side BC is equal to EF. Okay, so AB is equal to EF, angle B is equal to angle F, and BC is equal to EF. So one side equal, one angle equal, and one side equal. So directly, without checking the other parts, we can say that these two triangles are congruent triangles. Okay, without checking the other parts, we can say that these two triangles are the congruent triangle because they follows the side angle side criteria, SAS criteria. One more thing, here this angle needs to be included angle. That means in between two sides. Okay, angle lies in between two sides, and same thing in other triangles too. Means whatever angle equal with this angle, it needs to be included angle between the two equal sides. Okay, that means here if B is equal with the angle D, then this is not the criteria. Okay, because in criteria we want the included angle, so definitely angle B is equal, needs to equal with the angle F. It cannot be equal with the other angle, and it does not follow the side angle side criteria. Okay, side angle side, that means sequence wise, first of all side, then angle, then other side, it is included angle. Okay, side angle side, one side, then angle, then second side. Okay, now if two triangles are given here, A B C Y M O. Okay, now AB have the measurement 6, here YO have the measurement 6, here we have measurement 5, and here we have measurement 5. Now if this angle is 30 degree, and here if this angle is 30 degree, now this is 60 degree, and here we know the measurement 11. Okay, like this situation is given to you. Now we need to find the other sides. Okay, so here AB is equals to YO, AC is equals to MO. These two sides are same, right? Now not here 30 degree, but here 30 degree. Now included angle between these two sides, that means angle A, right? If we join sides 6 and 5, it makes angle A, right? So if included angle between these two sides is equal with the other triangle, if included angle in between these two sides is equal with the included angle of other sides, that means here even 6 and 5 we joined this, it meet at O, and here even we have the same measurement 30 30. So from here we can say that these two triangles are congruent triangles because it follows side angle side criteria, here one side angle side. So these two triangles are equal. Okay, here we have two equal sides 6 and 5, so that these two sides are equal. So from that directly we can say that this third sides also needs to be same, because if two sides are same, then definitely our third sides even it is same, because it is the criteria of congruent triangle. If we one time we can prove that these two triangles are congruent triangle, then from that we can find the other parts too, because here it is given 11, so we can say that third side of this triangle it is even 11, because two triangles are equal congruent, that means all the sides are same with the other triangle, right? So from here we can find the other parts too. After that, similarly, ASA congruence rule. Okay, ASA, that means angle, side, and angle. Okay, one side it is included side between these two angles. So angle, side, angle. First of all, read this line. Two triangles are congruent if two angles and the included side of one triangle are equal to two angles and the included side of other triangle. Okay, two triangles are congruent if two angles and the included side of one triangle are equal to two angles and the included side of other triangle. Okay, so in similar way, that means side angle side, we have one second criteria, it is angle side angle. Okay, so here first of all draw the two triangles ABC and the PQR. Okay, now here if BC is equals to the PQ, AC equal with the QR, and sorry, here we want angle side angle, right? So here angle P is equal with the angle B, angle Q equal with the angle B, and the included side, that means this PQ is equal with the BC. So this is angle side angle criteria. Okay, here again PQ is equals to BC, right? Angle B is equals to angle Q, angle C is equals to angle P. So we can say that triangle ABC congruent to, now angle B, it is in middle position, so middle position we need to write the Q, right? Then C, it is at last position, right? That means what I want to say, first of all we need to write the name of any one triangle. Okay, so triangle ABC, now we need to put the congruent sign. After that, now we need to set up the second triangle. Here B, it is in middle position and we know that angle B is equal to angle Q. So in place of B, we need to write here Q in middle position. Now here we have C, angle C is equal with the angle P. So in place of C, we need to write P here. Now remaining are that we need to write in the first position. Okay, so in this way we need to set up this congruency. Okay, and here we need to write the reason, it is by ASA, angle side angle. That means if two angles and one included sides are equal with the other triangle, then we can say that these two triangles are congruent triangles. Okay, and we do not need to show the other parts are equal. Okay, by using these three parts only, we can say that these two triangles are similar. Okay, otherwise in similar all the three sides are same and all the three angles are same with the other triangle. But if two angles and one included sides is equal, then definitely that two triangles are congruent triangle. Okay, we do not need to prove the other things. Directly from here we can say that these two triangles are congruent, and by using this criteria we can find the other parts too. Okay, we can find the other parts of triangle too. Now let's take one example. Here we have one triangle, here we have one triangle, it's a DEF, and here M and O. Now angle M is let's suppose 30, here angle F is 30, here this is 60 degree, here even this is 60 degree, here we have measurement 5, and here even we have measurement 5. Now if here measurement is given 4, okay, now first of all what we need to do, first of all we can prove two triangles are congruent by using the angle side angle criteria, right? So first of all just write down the M and O randomly. Okay, now we just try to set up our second triangle. Okay, so first of all our vertex M is 30 degree, angle M is equal to 30 degree. So here we have angle F is 30 degree, so M and F both are equal. So M, it is at first position, so at first position we need to write F. Now for second angle, our angle N is equal to 60 degree, and here we have angle D is equal to 60 degree. So in place of N, here we need to write D, and our third vertex that we need to write in the third position, so FDE. This is the congruence criteria, and here reason is by angle, side, angle. Okay, two sides and one angle are same. So here we have the reason, angle, side, angle. Okay. Now here one side MO is given to you, right? And if we want to find EF, okay, here MO. Now just think about the MO first and third position. Here EF, it is even at the first and third position, right? So these two sides are same. That means both have a measurement 4, because here MO, it is given to you 4. So directly you can say that EF is equals to 4, and here reason is by CPCT. Okay, here reason is by CPCT. That means corresponding part of congruent triangles. Okay, here reason is CPCT, corresponding part, because as per the sequence corresponding, that means, and congruent triangle that we already proved. So we can say that corresponding part of congruent triangle. Okay, if here give it is given that D is equals to 3, right? So directly you can find the value of NO, because just think about the D second and third position, and NO, it is even at the second and third position, right? So directly we can say that DE is equals to NO. That means D is equals to NO is equals to 3 centimeter. Okay. So here by using this criteria, we can find the other parts too. Okay. We will use this concept in the exercises. Okay. So at that time, you understand these things better than right now. Okay. Right now it's a theory part, and first time this rules you learn first time, right? So maybe some confusions you have, but whenever we use this concept in our sums, at that time we can understand it better. Okay. And one more thing, this is the same as you learn in your standard 7, right? In standard 7 NCERT book, one chapter is there, it is a congruence of triangles, and in that all these criteria are given to you. Okay, so right now just we need to learn that criteria in deeply. So further concept of theory part of this chapter that we will learn in next video. Okay, so right now in this video we learn about the meaning of congruence, right? And two criteria of congruence of triangle, it is side angle side and angle side angle. Okay, and we also learn one definition of congruence of triangle. All the sides are same and all the angles are same with the corresponding sides and angle of the other triangle. Okay, thank you.